This one na spaghetti with salmon. If you like easy recipe, oya na follow me make we quick make this food together. Area how far now? How una dey? As my husband dey quick dey come house come eat lunch for house. Now I come say okay because me no quick wake up in the morning. Now I say make I quick prepare this easy recipe for am. I don dey cut my onions. This one na the fish salmon. I don boil my water with salt. Now I start to dey put my spaghetti inside, make dem for cook together. Already me I dey like half done spaghetti. Na so we take dey eat am for here for Italy. I don open my salmon. I don dey cut dem small small. Already I don put my pot don already hot. I come dey put oil inside. When I wan take toast this my onions wey dem dey call scalone, okay, because na different onions na we dey see for abroad here, so dey get different name. Now I come say make I toast am small, then I come dey put my fish inside wey dem dey call salmon, okay, make I toast them together. The aroma of these onions no be here at all. Then I come say make I put my wine, because that wine dey give am vibe and amazing aroma. Now okay, I don do am finish. Now I put my spaghetti inside. Now I start to dey turn all of them, make them mix together. Now I carry the water when I take boil my spaghetti. Now I put small inside. I dey put my oil. The reasons why I dey put the water when I take dey boil pasta, because already e go dey creamy, so I go put am inside make my pasta for dey creamy. See my spaghetti now, how una dey see the decoration and the art coming. Now I say make I design am small. Now I use my salmon with carrot take design am, make everything be jello now. Come on now, make una see the food. A pattern this food e say walai, because a lot of Italian dey eat this food well. Now my husband mother hand now for learn this recipe.